Planning a complex project can feel overwhelming, but a work breakdown structure, or WBS, makes it manageable. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to master this essential project management tool. Let's start with the basics. What is a work breakdown structure? We'll define the concept and explain why it's a game changer for your team's productivity and project clarity. What is a work breakdown structure? A WBS is a deliverable-oriented hierarchical decomposition of the work to be executed by the project team. It breaks large projects into manageable components called work packages. Why use a WBS? It defines and organizes your project scope, provides a framework for detailed scheduling, improves cost estimation accuracy, and helps your team identify potential project risks early on. To create an effective WBS, you need to follow two critical guidelines: the 100% rule and the 8-80 rule. These ensure your project scope is both complete and manageable. The 100% rule explained. It states that the WBS includes 100% of the work defined by the project scope and captures all deliverables, internal, external, and interim, to be completed. The 8-80 rule in WBS suggests that no single work package should take less than 8 hours or more than 80 hours of effort. This ensures your tasks remain trackable. Now that we know the rules, let's look at how to organize your WBS. We'll cover the different levels of decomposition and the most common visual formats you can use. The levels of a WBS start with the project itself at level 1, followed by major deliverables at level 2, and finally, individual work packages at level 3. Common WBS formats include the graphic or tree view for easy visualization, and the outline or tabular view, which is often better for text-heavy project documentation. Follow best practices for naming and numbering in WBS by using verb-noun names for tasks and unique ID codes, like 1.1 or 1.2, to maintain organizational clarity. You're ready to build. Follow this step-by-step tutorial: how to create a work breakdown structure using the powerful intelligent diagramming features found in Lucidchart. First, define your project goal at the top. Next, identify your major phases or deliverables. Then, break those down into work packages that follow the 8-80 rule. Assign unique IDs to every shape and use Lucid's formatting tools to color-code different levels. Finally, share your WBS with stakeholders for real-time collaboration and feedback. Now you have the tools to visualize your project from start to finish. Start building your own work breakdown structure in Lucidchart today and bring clarity to your team's workflow.